Welcome back to Booze Clues. Thank you for joining me today here on Booze Clues. Today we are doing the letter V. V. I know that's funny. V. V is one of my also very favorite letters. It's my very favorite letter. I love all the letters. This is the letter from group number 5. V is a consonant letter. So V has this phonic sound. Listen with me. Put your lips. The action for V is like, pretend you're holding a steering wheel and you're driving your van. That's right, I can hear you. Good job. One more time. Good job. Oh, I'm so proud of everything you guys do. Here we go. We're going to introduce some beginning sounds of the letter V. Beginning sounds. I hope you guys can help me to identify some beginning sounds. And also help me identify these pictures. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. This is one of my favorites. I know, Miss Leona always says it's her favorite. They are, here we go. Vegetable. Vegetables. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is one of my, When I was little, my mom used to say to me, Leona, go and vacuum the carpets. I didn't like to vacuum. Do you like to vacuum? Either do I. Vacuum. Vacuum. Here we go. Oh. When I dress up sometimes, I like to wear my spiffy vest. Vest. Okay? Do you have a vest? You don't? I think, I'll have to go find my vest later. Oh, you guys know this one. A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U, and sometimes the letter Y. What is this? No, it's not a verb. Try again.
Although that is a good V word.
That's right. What are these? Vowels. Vowels. I liked how you said verb. That's another great word. Oh! If I go to Hawaii, I hope, or some other island, I hope I can see one of these. A volcano. Volcano. Here we go. I'm gonna drive in my van. Van. Do you have a van? I wish I had a van. Oh. I bet you know what this is. No, it's not a guitar. Good guess, though. Thank you for guessing that. Try again. One more time. One more time. Violin. 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 That's good. I like how you guessed. When I get some flowers sometimes, I put them in a vase. Some people also call this a vase. Vase.
Both of them are V words, though.
They are. And we have this. Van. Miss Linda, have a quick look at my V beginning sounds. The sound we're listening for is The action is like driving a van. What? You want to write the letter? Ha! Thank you for reminding me. I almost said goodbye. Ready? Here we go. Miss Leo's going to put a pen lid on. And we're going to start right from the... I tricked you. You thought I was going to start from the bottom. Here we go. Start from the top, right here. And we're going to go at an angle. Never draw straight down. Not with the letter V. It goes at an angle. So watch. It's almost like the letter W. Here we go. Angle all the way to the bottom. And angle all the way to the top. That is a very nice letter V. Little letter V, lowercase, the same thing. Let's just look at a mini version of it. Across and up. That's a very loud pen, isn't it? It's trying to make noise and go. It doesn't like being a. We'll go one more time. Down and up. I know, it's really loud, isn't it? Miss Linda, I think my pen is broken.
It's very squeaky.
Okay, here we go. Down and it's very, very loud. Thank you for joining me today on Boo's Clues for doing the letter V. The phonic sound we're listening for is V. The action is V. Thank you for helping me identify the beginning sound of the letter V in these items. Thank you. Have a very, very good day. Bye.